Friends, this video is about how you can make Coronash UVC on your own. We have no financial interest in any of the items described in this video. This is a nice little foldable handheld device which generates 5 watts of 254 nanometer UVC with proper amount of ozone generation. It is now freely available on Amazon India for a price range of Rs 1200 to 1500 from 15 different sellers. Same is also available from eBay USA with worldwide shipping for around $16 US. It runs on 4 AAA dry cells and also runs on rechargeable cells, which charges with any cell phone charger, and also runs on micro USB Android charger even without batteries. It has built-in aluminum coated reflector which enhances its power, and it has a gravity operated safety switch, meaning that when it is facing up towards your eyes or face, it will remain off. It will glow only when it is face down. So it is a very versatile and real value for money for this small price. Surprisingly, in spite of its mini size and very low cost, it is really a very powerful saber. At 3-inch distance, it yields 0.25 millijoule energy per second. So just in 8 seconds, it will deposit total 4 millijoule and kill all viruses from dry surface. For wet surfaces like oral mucosa, time taken will be about 10 times. It is really very powerful and also generates proper amount of ozone. You will be able to smell fresh and clean refreshing ozone from it. This UV device will work only in lamp facing down position, so you have to be in reclined position. Free flowing ozone is heavier than air, so it will gravitate down. Put on UV goggles and open the UV light. Bring it very close to mouth and keep inhaling deep breaths for 4 minutes. And then into nose for 2 minutes. Remember, 4 minutes in mouth and 2 minutes in nose. That is the total dose required. This is just to demonstrate how the gravity switch works in this device. At 2 cm distance, it emits 1.88 millijoule energy per second. We need only 4 millijoule energy to kill 99.99% novel coronaviruses. So in only 2.12 seconds, it will kill all viruses. Human skin safety limit is for up to 1000 seconds per day. You may please read paragraph 4 of the UV safety limit given on this link. So I can use it as hand sanitizer also without any worries, because human skin safety limit is 1000 seconds and this takes only 2.12 seconds. So quite many times a day I can sanitize my hands. We have been doing this since last 3 months without any noticeable side effects. It can also be used for all small personal items and food and fruits also. This is another very good option from Amazon India. Same is also available from ebay.com USA with worldwide shipping. It has built-in battery with micro USB charging from any Android mobile phone charger. In this, we have to create our own reflector from kitchen use aluminum foil. These foils have 2 sides, dull and shiny. Please keep shiny side inwards towards U-shaped UVC tube. This is another excellent choice. We can use this as Coronash UVC directly They ship worldwide from Jerusalem, Israel, and it costs around 17 US dollar. This is RO Water Machines UV System Pack, available from Amazon India. You can contact your local dealer of RO water system or find a RO repair service engineer. Most of the upper end RO, especially Kent RO, is having UVC mini tube inside this machine, and they also have many as spares. We took this to a lathe machine worker and get approximate 2-inch hole made on a milling machine in the center of the aluminum pipe which comes in the system. Push a white PVC water pipe coupling into it and glue it to the aluminum cylinder by Araldite Bondtite white M-Seal or Gorilla Glue. Another option is to get a 75 mm by 20 mm capsule slot made by a lathe machinist. There is a quartz glass jacket tube inside. Please take care that quartz glass tube is not broken. It is UV transparent, so there is no need to remove it. We can use disposable paper cup with cutout bottom. This idea came from Dr. Amit Grover, eye surgeon from Faridabad, Haryana, India. This second paper cup is disposable. This is another elegant DIY Coronash UVC made of stainless steel. We can take help of our local SS grill and staircase railing maker for this fabrication. This is another simple quick make idea which works very well. This was made in emergency by Dr. Mudit Agarwal from Jabalpur using empty agarbatti plastic cylinder box, some thermocol and black insulation tape. And this is an absolutely rustic and emergency make idea, courtesy of Dr. Neeraj Pandey, eye surgeon of Varanasi, India. It is also good to have this Korean make Gen UV company's UVC meter, which can measure power and energy dose of UVC wavelength from 220 to 280 nanometer, so that we can measure the energy output and calculate the dose time. It is the cheapest yet very efficient UVC meter with a built-in sensor without any hanging wires. Now I would like to introduce to you this great gentleman, Dr. Vladimir Alexandrovich Smolin. He is from Moscow, Russia. He was a physiotherapist doctor who joined Russian army and became a general. And after retiring from army, he started his practice as physiotherapist doctor again. Since 1989, he is using UV light for influenza and SARS treatment. Solnishko is his design and his company. I highly recommend that you please visit his website solnishko.com using Google Translator. You can order this superb minimalistic machine with essential Russian simplicity from ebay.com. They ship worldwide, but it takes about 8 to 12 weeks to come. This is Gen UV Korea's UVC meter, which has a built-in sensor. And this is Solnishko, the Russian UV device. It is so powerful, depositing 2.9 millijoules energy per second. Just remember, we need 4 millijoules for complete clearance of coronaviruses from dry surfaces. So in just 1.4 seconds, this will kill them all. And 10 times of that is only 14 seconds for wet surfaces like nose and throat mucosa. Solnishko has various diameter dose delivery conical tubes for ear, nose and throat. This is for throat. With this we can direct UV light to right or left tonsil, to hard and soft palate, posterior wall of oropharynx, up into nasopharynx and down up to larynx. We can hook this device with a proper UV conducting optical fiber and take UVC light into the vein for intravenous blood disinfection and detoxification. Possibilities are abundant with this UV device. We highly recommend you all to visit and fully navigate through all pages of this website. This little UVA device, like a keychain, is also a very powerful weapon in fight against corona. Just in total 12 seconds of UVA taken into nose, throat and ears, it produces so much of hydrogen peroxide in these tissues by a biochemical process known as photooxidation that it can kill any incoming early infection in next 60 seconds. And we sincerely urge and recommend you all to listen to this wonderful lecture of this great inventor Kevin Maguire. We have no financial interest. Kevin's this patent document is full of research references. It is worth reading, every word of it. UVA dose is to be taken in each nostril for 8 seconds and in throat for 15 seconds daily, preferably twice a day. Can be taken up to 4 times a day maximum. Kills all viruses, including novel coronavirus, in few seconds. It is absolutely safe to skin and eyes. Effects felt by the patients are warmth feeling, maybe some mild sneezing, mild watering from nose, and silver spoon-like metallic taste for few minutes. All above indicates that UVA light has worked. It is approved by US National Institute of Health, is available online for worldwide sale from USA since 2015 and is not objected by US FDA. Intracellular as well as extracellular hydrogen peroxide has two mechanisms of actions. One, it kills microbes by instant oxidation mediated by nascent oxygen in same way as ozone or sodium hypochlorite. Two, it is the strongest chemical signals to attract white blood cells to rush to the location of infection. This is Kevin Maguire's UV-Aid device. It's a small keychain, but it is really powerful, emitting half millijoule per second energy. So in 8 seconds, it will deposit 4 millijoules per centimeter square. This tiny device can kill corona in 8 seconds from nose and throat. It is really great to be taken 8 seconds in each nostril and 8 to 10 seconds in throat. And we know it since long. It is like a Ramban against all respiratory bacteria and viruses in prevention and early phase of infection. This is another and older version we had. I know this by heart because quite frequently I shine it into the mouth of my sweetheart since long. They also make UV toothbrush. Twice daily use of it will almost completely prevent teeth caries, gum infections, tonsil and throat infections, prevents scaling of teeth and whitens teeth over a period of time, all by producing hydrogen peroxide from water in the tissues. Both these UV devices are approved by National Institute of Health of USA. It's an amazing toothbrush with UV light. It is UVA plus vibratory ultrasound. It's a great tool and I feel everybody should have it. Have we ever wondered why China, the prima donna of this COVID-19, has no more cases after 20th of March? They almost completely have stopped at 85,000 cases. How and why? On February 16, they had almost 20,000 cases in one day. 2 weeks later, from March 20th onwards, they hardly have 10 to 20 cases per day. COVID is almost gone in China. Trade shows, conferences, businesses, life everywhere in China has resumed since mid-May, as if there was no COVID at all. How? What cure they found? While giant superpower USA and countries like India and Brazil are struggling hard and are just defensive players, China has already won the fight and kicked this virus out of their nation. How? Well, I was a visiting lecturer at a Chinese University Medical College. So I keep going frequently for my lecture series to China since long. I am also a teacher of eye surgery there. Being also a visiting consultant, we both keep going to China many times. I also have some technological ties up with few Chinese companies who make surgical and medical instruments. Having conferred with them quite so often, I know their mindset fairly well. One of my books, Chini Beti, is all about China, so I feel that I know how they stopped COVID from proliferating and growing in their country. China fights COVID with UV light. Just Google it. You will find multiple amazing ways in which they have killed corona with UV lights from their country. And if you read this immunology research paper, you will realize that almost for sure China has made millions of doses of UV inactivated SARS coronavirus vaccine. They must be having this pretty much well in advance. It is so simple. You culture the virus, make thousands of liters of viral culture fluid, inactivate them by UV rays, and use them as oral drops vaccine, same as poliovirus vaccine. By my gut feeling, I am so sure they already had or they have found the oral corona vaccine. How else the infection graph in a country with 1.5 billion population can remain so flat for 6 months when the whole world is reeling and rolling and rocking and shocking? We just need to open our heart and mind to this wonderful light. Even 2000 years ago, Jesus Christ has advised this in the Bible. UV light is not just lovely, it is mesmerizing, most magical of all lights. Little bit of caution here. Most of the LED UVCs, Chinese items which are available on eBay and sometimes on Amazon are fake. They have almost zero UVC power. They are just deep purple lights. We have tested almost all of them. Just ignore them. Don't waste your time and money. To produce enough UVC power from very special brass quartz LED is quite expensive. Just go to YouTube and type fake UVC LED lamps from China, and bigclive.com. He is a very nice technical person who has very elegant researched videos on fake UV lamps. Classical and gold standard way is to test killing various types of bacteria on petri dishes, which may not be possible for everyone. So we did some simple experiments. Fake UVC is deep purple, whereas a real UVC is turquoise blue, like Firoza or jade stone, or like Andaman sea water. And in fake UVC, our fingernails' overgrown tips glow pale green like radium wristwatch, which does not happen in real UVC. Security thread of 2000 and 500 rupees notes glow green in fake UVC, but in real UVC there is no such glow. When photochromic lenses are exposed to fake UVC versus real UVC, fake UVC will make transition lens to become dark. Fake UVC is actually a UVA, which makes photochromic lens dark gray. Real UVC has no effect. Another interesting simple test is green banana skin test. 20 minutes of UVC exposure and after that 4 hours waiting for photooxidation of xanthophyll to take place can be done at home by anybody, keeping the sticker as on the skin as is. Green banana skin turns brown by real UVC in few minutes. Fake UVC will have no effect on green banana. Please share these videos links amongst your friends and families. It might help all to save more lives. Well, Upanishad Rishi prays and says, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, from darkness to light. But today we pray from darkness to UV light. NASA states that sun is also ultraviolet. Lead kindly light is said in Bible, but lead kindly UV light is to be said in 2020. We received profuse blessings from Pujya Mahant Swami Maharaj to this research paper of ours for this scientific work. And with due respects to the father of our nation, Pujya Mahatma Gandhi, I thank you all on behalf of Dr. Ramesh C. Shah. We shall be happy to answer your queries. You can reach us at coronash2020@gmail.com. After a few days, we will upload our last video about how best we can disinfect home, hospital, offices, vehicle interiors, and large spaces by UVC, ozone, and plasma generators, describing in details the way China has killed and kicked out COVID. We all need to learn from them. We need some time to prepare this video. Meanwhile, namaste and thank you from India.